Hey everyone, welcome to the fisheyesoup.com CMS. In this video we're going to talk about linking an image to an internal page or an external page. What you can see is I have two of the same picture here just to make it easier. What we have done is we have linked the top image to the actual page of this company, which would be good in a situation where you want to link to your vendor or do something like that. And in the lower image we have done an internal link. So here I'm going to go into the edit mode and you can see how that's done. Here we go. We have the two images here, and what you do if you wanted to link to your to in either case, but the process is the same. So let's go ahead and we'll left click on that image, and then we'll right click, and you'll see that the image properties option comes up, and right here you're going to see edit link or remove link. That would not be there if you've not already linked it. So let's click image properties, and we're going to highlight we're going to click on this link button. So in here you can see I've already done it, but that's where you would go ahead and paste the URL for your specific link. So in this case we're going to link back to St. Croix Rods, the manufacturer. What I'll do is I'll leave this target as not set. What that'll do is just it'll take me directly to the site rather than creating a pop-up window. What you can do is you can explore using some of these other options here. You can do a new window. I think that probably the best way to do it is to leave that as a just a direct link. Pop-up blockers and whatnot might interrupt with some of the other options, especially if people have them set pretty high. So in this case we have it set to go to the vendor, so I'll leave that the same, and I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. As you can see here, we'll highlight that one and I'll hit image properties, and you can see that the link is actually, I've set up the link to be the homepage of this site. So you could put in something like your logo on every page if you wanted, if you didn't use a home button in your nav bar, and you could go back to your home page, or you could go to another section if for whatever reason you might want to have some links in certain sections that go to other sections via the text that you're referencing. So in this case we're just going to hit save and close. And it'll be done here, and then you can see this is our page, and if I click on this button, this is going to take us to the on this image, this is going to take us to St. Croix Rods. So there you can see I've linked to the manufacturer, brought up their homepage. You can also link to any page in their site, just grabbing the address from your browser URL bar. So if you have something like a specific product or something, you could just take it directly to their page. You wouldn't have to start at the home page. And then in this case I've linked to my home page, and there we go. It's brought them to the home page, and in which case you can see you have options to give people quick links around your site relative to what you're talking about. So it's a good way to navigate around or reference text to a manufacturer site. Sometimes it can help you eliminate a lot of verbiage on a page if you can just send them there rather than having to recreate all the text. So obviously I'll have another video that shows you how you can do that with text. It's the same essential function as what we're doing here, but it's kind of a nice way to use images to create links. Alright, well thank you very much, and I'll talk to you in future videos.